Hi Sagittarius, this is your monthly tarot cards reading by Emma for the month of February 2021. It's going to be our standard format, 4-week format, and I'm going to start immediately. Eight of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, and Five of Cups, Page of Pentacles. Okay, Page of Pentacles is young energy, and it is about this concrete goal, this concrete task, something very practical. It is learner, okay? When you feel that you wanna fix this computer, but you need to know something about it. So you're gonna Google it. You're gonna try to find out how to do that particular thing. That is with Page of Pentacles, being very brave, being confident. Yeah, I can know anything, whatever. Just give me the book, give me computer so I can Google it. You will do it. You've got this particular task in front of yourself, and whatever it takes to achieve it. Now, Eight of Swords with King of Wands. Now, Seven of Pentacles with the Magician. Nine of Cups with Page of Swords, and Five of Cups with the Empress. The Fool. Being very optimistic, being very happy about new things that comes to your mind, that practical thing, that goal that you put in front of yourself, all right? It's definitely something new that you want to do. When you suddenly decided that you're going to change your profession and you're going to be doing this different thing. Till now you were accountant, and now you want to learn to be computer programmer. You are very happy about that, about prospect for that new things. You are ready to learn, and you think the best thing you ever done. It is big prospect for your life with that new skill. As a computer programmer, you will make money, you'll be happy. You see what I'm saying? Something new idea, new task that you have. You're supposed to learn, still supposed to learn a lot, but ideas about it are endless happiness and ideas that it will be just the right things, just what you needed for your life. Anyway, Eight of Swords and King of Wands. Eight of Swords, it's very green, very dark card, and it says that you feel stuck with the situation, with people, with your worries, with your ideas about, with your ideas. Eight swords all over you, and swords means mental process. Okay, there's a kind of worries that you have, about whatever, founded or unfounded, but you do have a lot of them. You don't even want to look at them to see these are unfounded worries. You don't want to even look at it, but you do have worries. Now you do have maybe obligations that you took towards another. Now you find yourself stuck in a situation with lots of obligations, with lots of worries, stuck in the moment, and you cannot move out because you promised that you're going to be there. You promised that you will never leave this situation. You accepted too many obligations, so you have to fulfill these obligations because you said like that, you said so. You see what I'm saying? We bring ourselves into situations like this many times, so that's how you find yourself. Now, King of Wands is entrepreneur. That's fire energy. That's energy you are very comfortable with. And I think this first week of February is bringing this moment up for you, for your acknowledgement. Okay, you do have so many unfounded worries. You are worrying other people's worries. Okay, it's not for you to worry about this. Why would you worry about your friends' troubles? Leave it behind, okay? Concentrate on your stuff. Why would you do things for another that another can't do it for himself? You see what I'm saying? You just realize that you are unnecessarily in this sticky situation. That's with King of Wands. That's your realization. I think this one is popping up for you to realize that you don't have to be there. This one is very adamant. This one is this decision maker. This one has ideas, and that energy of King of Wands will definitely set you free. This one will set you free. That what you feel, adamant, happy, capable, confident, that will set you free. That moment, I think this first week of February is for that. To set you free from this, I don't know, worries, obligations and stuff. Somehow you brought yourself in a situation that you don't want to be in, and that's it. And you will set yourself free. That's it. That energy is such confidence, so expansive, so fiery. You want to get rid of it, and you will be. And you're going to be very happy. This is very happy, enthusiastic energy. Having ideas about your life. You cannot be stuck with these people, with this situation forever, because you do have ideas for yourself. There's no reason for you to be there. That kind of moment. First week of February. Lovely. I really like it. I like these energies, particularly. Now, Seven of Pentacles with the Magician. Look, you do have lovely energy. The King of Wands with Magician, followed by Magician. That's some confidence. That's some ideas. Okay, King of Wands does have ideas about prospect for its life, what to do. This is creative energy. You got these ideas, what you're supposed to do for yourself. This is also self-employment. King of Wands, you've got this idea for your career, how you're going to create your life. Now, and you're very confident. This is extremely confident energy, extremely capable energy. And you're getting yourself out of this imprisonment, from this sticky, unpleasant situation, from this miserable situation. Look at this. Immediately you feel like your magic is around you. You can do anything. This Magician is riding the high road. Okay, there's ideas. That is unstoppability. That is doability. That's all available there for you. Feeling like, oh, it's easy. It's like magic. Look, sometimes I don't like this one on its own, just like that. All right. It's good to feel like that, but often Magician is lacking that application, that follow through, that execute. You see what I'm saying? That Magician is often lacking something like that. But for now, being that you are getting out of this situation, difficult situation, with something very optimistic, with something very new, okay, I think things are changing for you. Changing in a way that you are learning something new. You want to do something different, some new skill. I think there is some new skill that you are after. And you see your future life with that new skill, with that new knowledge. And you are turning into it. And you are turning your life. You are working towards that. You are working, bravely, confidently. You don't doubt yourself. Okay? And whatever shows in your environment, it doesn't trouble you. You know yourself, you are confident. Okay, it shows trouble, it shows this imprisonment, this sticky, miserable situation. Get out of it. It shows now your skill. Alright, that's what you invested in yourself. Seven of Pentacles, there is your investment. Now you understand that you did learn. You learned that is the pentacle that you invested in yourself. With your confidence, you invested with your mind, with your time. There is plenty of things that you kind of invest in yourself. Your patience, your understandings. You see what I'm saying? That is the whole person in here waiting for people to see it, waiting to yield some results, to be seen, waiting to grow, to show itself in the outer world. Now this second week of February, that's what you've done for yourself, that whatever you learned, that patience that you put down, that in your education, in your building yourself to be that quality, confident person as you are right now. Okay, but it is posing here. You are waiting for the opportunity for you to grow. Okay, this is stagnant, and this is moment of waiting period. You are waiting for the opportunity. You know, you are sending your CVs. You are just waiting for somebody to say, work for me, and then you will grow. You'll show your knowledge. You'll show your qualities. You see what I'm saying? You are waiting for the opportunity to show yourself, to grow. And I think Page of Swords is that moment, this third week of February, that is moment of change, because Page of Swords is that news, that information, that extra info, extra knowledge that comes your way, that changes the situation. In a way, as you just wanted it. Okay? Maybe acknowledgement. You do have this diploma now. And that's what you wanted. Now you've got a ready-made situation to move further, to apply for your jobs or to have your own business. You see what I'm saying? And that's what you needed, that's what you wanted. You wished to present yourself as capable person, as knowledgeable person. You see what I'm saying? You wish to present yourself in such a way. At this point, you've got it. If you wanted to present yourself as a qualified technician for something, you are now showing yourself as a qualified technician. That sort of energy. Change has come. That's what you wanted to learn. That's what you wanted to become. Yes, there it is. Third week of February. I feel that you are studying kind of something. You needed to know. You needed to present yourself as a qualified person in, I don't know, for some subject. And that's what happens here, third week of February. And from there you will now apply for work, you will now, send your CVs, you think you can make your future with that. Now, disappointment, little bit of disappointment at this point, perhaps, it's not that you will immediately get your job and stuff, some sort of disappointment that you have. But the 2 cups are standing straight, which says current situation is good. If you just turn yourself towards what is coming your way, you will be alright. If you're turning back into your past and your failures, perhaps you are thinking that you did have qualifications and you failed with them. You couldn't get a job. You couldn't do anything with it. Now, you do have something new and perhaps you are worried that it might happen exactly the same. But look, these 2 cups are standing straight. If you just turn yourself into the future and you are looking what is coming your way, what it could be, you're going to be much happier person. If you're looking into that, what it could be, into your future, what it could be, what happy life you could have, you're going to feel happy. If you turn back and you remember what failure you've been through, of course you're going to be unhappy. It's your choice at this point with 5 of Cups. All right, but the Empress, it's feeling good. All right, you are satisfied with yourself, you find your comfort zone. All right, I will point again to this 2 of Cups and the Empress. Something is very balanced here. Something is very comfortable right now, 4th week of February. Okay, nothing happens, all right, if it's, as I said, this new skill and you've got your degree and you are ready to, put yourself out there and to send your CVs. This is not employment yet, but it is your certainty that now you can build your life with that new things that you've got, with that new career, with that new skill that you acquire, that you see what I'm saying? You brought yourself in the position from which you can grow. I think that is kind of moment for you. That sort of February, I think you invested in yourself. You've got your qualifications, that you want to get more knowledge, different knowledge, go into different career. Something like that. I think that you are doing now in February. Makes you satisfied, brings your comfort zone, massive ideas for yourself with these new things, all right? You've got ideas for your future, long-term future, okay? Enjoy it.